so let's put the Starbucks in there. It's bananas and it smells amazing. Hi, welcome back to H&H Productions. I'm Human and today I'm unboxing this butter slime kit. So let's open it. Look at these, they look so cool. Alright, there we go. Ooh, look at these. So there's this one. Look how pretty this color is. Okay, there's this purple one. They smell really good. Alright, there's another purple one, but it's later. They smell amazing. Alright, there's this one that looks like it would smell like strawberries and cream. That does not smell like that. But it still smells. Honestly, it smells the least good, but it still smells fine. Kind of perfumey, and I don't like the scent of perfume, but that's fine. Ooh, there's this one that looks like coffee. That is a very strong scent. It smells like soap. Okay, maybe this one will be like peach or something. This looks like popcorn or bananas. It's bananas and it smells amazing. It could be the best so far. Oh, let's close that. And this blue one. And this one, I saved the best for last because I think this one will smell like cookies and cream. Nope. Smells like soap. Soap. Okay, so we have little charms and sprinkles put in them. So it looks like we have a lollipop. We have some sort of thing, like strawberry, I think. Little hearts, little lollipops and sprinkles. And then we have more sprinkles. We have, I think this unicorn ice cream charm. And then a dog? Not sure. And there's an orange too, so that is really cool. And that's it. So these look really cool. So I'm gonna put these in the slime. And well, look how many slimes there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There are 9 slimes, so that is a lot of. Alright, so you just watched me open my 9-pack of butter slime. So now I'm going to take it back out again and put all of the stuff in it. So, oops. We actually have this little Starbucks coffee, which I love Starbucks. So we also have like a bunch of these. Like, look at this. This is so cute. Alright, so I'm going to put the Starbucks one in this brown and white one because that's like the color of coffee, so. And they all have different consistencies. My favorite is the banana scented one. It's just like the perfect slime. Alright, so let's put the Starbucks in there. And oh, that's so cool. It's in there, the Starbucks coffee. Okay. Really cool. Now, I'm not going to put sprinkles on that one because it's Starbucks. They don't have sprinkles in their coffee. Now I have this one which has like little beads in it. So, oh, it looks like this one actually already has one in it. Look at this. This is cool. It has an Oreo in it already. That's actually really cool. So, yeah. That's so cool. Okay. Next we have this red one, which I'm not going to really touch because it's actually really sticky. So I'm just going to put some sprinkles into it. And I'm also going to put this strawberry, I think it is, into there. So there we go. Plop. And let's take this lollipop out so that doesn't get into there. And this. So now let's pour some sprinkles. Whoa, that is a lot. Ooh, this feels like completely different slime now. Also, tell us if you want to, in the future, do a mixing all of our store-bought slime together video. Because that seems like it would be fun, you know? Like when all the slime is starting to get, like, bad. You mix it all together into one giant thing. So I just played with it a little bit. There's a lot of sprinkles in there, actually. Oh, and I'm going to go wash my hands so I don't mix the slimes together. Be right back. Alright, so I am back, and, oh, next let's do this light purple one. Let's put this grape in here. And let's finish up the rest of the sprinkles. This is nice. And if you want to get the slime pack, it is from Amazon. So you can probably just type in like Starbucks slime or buttery slime or unicorn slime or something like that. And this one smells like grape actually, so. Closed. And which one should we put this lollipop in? I'm going to put it in this other purple one. This is the darker purple. Smells like grape. Like grape medicine. And it actually smells really good. Alright, so let's take these out. So I don't put 2 in one by mistake. Oh, what I thought was a dog is a pear, actually, so that's cool. Because I really like pears. This looks pretty. And I'm actually going to wash my hand again so I don't mix it in with any other slime. Be right back, guys. Alright, let's cap this. And move on to... Oh. Gotta twist it. Alright, move on to this one. Let's put the pear into here, which I thought was a dog. There we go. Alright, that's all I'm going to put in that one. Alright, we have 3 more. I believe. Think so. Alright, so we have this amazing banana smelling one. It smells so amazing. You know what? I'm actually going to switch this pear one. Oh. Never mind, I'm going to leave the pear in here because it already has a slime on it. So, I'm going to leave that pear one in there. And in here, the banana one, I'm going to put some orange. So we have this orange. Boop. And now let's put these sprinkles. Yeah, this yellow banana scented one is my favorite. Alright, so we have two more. We have this blue one. And we have this blue one. I'm gonna actually. So here we have this unicorn. I'm going to put it in this light blue one. So here we go. And then in here, we're just going to put sprinkles in this blue. There we go. So that is all of my slime, and I've already said this a billion times. My favorite is this yellow banana scented one. And my favorite decorator is probably the Starbucks one, because I really like mango dragon fruit lemonade from Starbucks. And this is all of them stacked on top of each other. Okay, so thank you for watching Ace Productions. Bye! I'm joking, it's not fun. Bye.